As you can see from the title and the thumbnail, listen, before y'all say this is clickbait, I said I have been thinking, or I'm thinking. Listen, y'all have to read. I've been thinking, and I've been thinking on this for a good little while. I've been thinking about selling my Scat Pack and quitting YouTube for just a little bit. But wait, let me explain to y'all why. So if you are a usual subscriber that watched my channel, then you could tell that I'm getting ready to go to work. Actually, I got to be clocked in within 30 minutes, so I'm trying to hurry up and record this part. As you know, right here is my 2021 Widebody Scatpack Charger. I've had this car since, I think it's March or April, I think. I've did a lot of mods that you've seen on the outside. I haven't touched anything up under the hood, and it's like I did so much to the car once I first got it. On the outside, it's like I don't really know what to do next, but besides just change the route. So it's like I'm kind of getting bored with the car, or it could just be me. I don't know, but I think I'm ready to touch some things up under the hood. Let me pop the hood real quick. What time is it? It is, right now it is 6:04. Like I said, I got to be clocked in at 6:30. But I know up under my hood is dirty. I think I'm ready to do some engine mods, since I already got the look of the car how I want it. Cold air intake. Some people say don't change this one, keep this one. It does a great job. Some people says change it. I don't know, y'all comment down below. I want to go long tube headers, so y'all let me know about that. Some more things, y'all let me know some more things to do up under the hood that's not really going to break my pockets. Also, you know, just what are some things, what are some Scat Pack mods that can give me some quick horsepower gains without actually having to put my car in a shop for like a week or 2 weeks. I'm trying to do some things that I can do, you know, within maybe a day or two. So y'all comment down below any Scat Pack mods that y'all have in mind or that y'all have done. Send me any links or whatever on Instagram that I can follow up on. Order some parts, order some things, and maybe if it's something that I can do myself, let me know. And if you have a tutorial video on it, then let me know. Send it to me so I can watch it and I can maybe do it myself. I'm about to jump in the car and record the rest of this on the way to work. It is a beautiful Saturday evening. I gotta go in here and work 12 hours just to make y'all some soup. And look, parking lot empty. So of course, if you could tell, today is a different day but the same video. I actually ran out of time because I had to stop at the store and it took longer than I expected it to. But like I said, I've been thinking about selling my car. I don't want to say exactly quitting YouTube, but you know, kind of stepping back from YouTube. Sometimes I put a lot into this YouTube, and whenever it comes to recording, whenever it comes to editing, and it's like, I don't know, I feel like I'm at a standstill a little bit in my YouTube and also in life. So I'm kind of balancing, okay, I want my YouTube to grow more, and also I'm trying to grow more in life. I'm trying to get more things in life, like a house, investing more into myself and into my future. I've been investing a lot in this car, not just money wise, but also time wise, and I love it. Don't get me wrong, I love it, but it's like sometimes it's like all the stuff, the time and money that I invest into my channel, and then it's like whenever I put my content out there, it's like a slap in the face sometimes. And oftentimes I know a lot of YouTubers get discouraged with the results, the views. We spend hours of editing, recording, trying to find the right thumbnail, the right descriptions, all the tags, all of that. We try to do everything that we can to, you know, push out our content, but sometimes it's like YouTube is really holding us back. I really think it's YouTube that be holding us back, because I can spend hours just trying to find the perfect title, the perfect descriptions, and I use vidIQ, I use all that different stuff that rates me on the things that I need to do, the things that I need to improve, and I do that, and it's like boom, the results is not what I've been looking for. So if you're a YouTuber and you watching this video and you feel the same way, or if you went through this same feeling, hit me up and give me some advice. I don't want to quit YouTube, but it's like I want to take a step back and reevaluate things, reevaluate life. Sell this car, like I said, I don't need this car. I have another car. I really got this car to do YouTube, to step out there in the YouTube world. Well, my first Scat Pack, which is the original slime, I got that for YouTube, and that was my baby, that was my heart. But this right here, I mean, it's my baby too, but it don't got my heart like my last car did. Well, like slime did, the original slime. I don't know if I'm kind of getting bored with the car or the car content, or I don't know if I'm just going through this YouTube trial and error. So I need y'all support down below in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think, because you know, I can get a good pretty penny for this car. Somebody done offered me a good pretty penny for this car, and it's been having me thinking. Y'all know that money talks, so I've been thinking about that amount, and then the amount that I've been putting out in YouTube it's like the offer that they're giving me, and it's like the result of YouTube is like which one do I go with? But like I said, y'all, give me some advice down below in the comment section of what I should do. Like this video if you haven't already liked this video. Drop a green emoji when the video is over with. Come back and leave your comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. You must be a subscriber. Like, come on, you can't jump on this train for free. You gotta be a subscriber. Number 2, you gotta go to slimepack.store and get anything off the website. purchasing whatever on the website will automatically enter you into the database to win the camera. Also, enter in your email. I think it automatically requires you to enter your email, so you will receive your tracking order and everything for when you order the t-shirts. So that's how I will be contacting you, by email. There will be a video saying that I have picked the winner. Number 3. What's number 3? Just comment on every video, watch every video, like every video. That's all I ask. Number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, go to slimepack.store and purchase anything off the site. I need y'all support just like y'all need my support. Watch, like, and comment on every video. That's all I ask. And also, I'm going to be picking 2 other people of my choice. Now, that first giveaway is going to be, your name will be in a database, scrambled up, and it will be automatically picked. For the next 2 giveaways, I will be picking 2 people of my choice to give away some free merch. The first person, I'm going to give away 3 t-shirts of your choices, and the second person, I'll give away 2 t-shirts of your choices, and I have it sent to you. And whenever y'all receive the merch, make sure y'all send it to slimepack_392 on Instagram, and I will tag and repost y'all, and I might use y'all for some promo. If you can scroll down on my Instagram, you'll see I already posted 2 people. So yeah, I need more people to post. I need more people to tag with my merch on. So be sure whenever you get it, take a picture of it. Your face don't have to be in it, but I would prefer your face to be in it. You know, tag me in it, and I will definitely repost. Oh, and last thing, I will be running this giveaway for 30 days. Today is August the 8th. This video will be dropping on August the 11th, which is a Wednesday. So 30 days from that date, I will be picking the winner. So you know that's going to be next month. So I don't want to hear nobody say, I didn't get paid. Some people get paid weekly. Some people get paid, you know, every 2 weeks. Some people get paid every month. Listen, you got time to get some merch, to get into this giveaway. And also, if you don't care about the camera and you win it, you can sell it and flip it and make you some money. Like, come on. And also, if you don't want to do either of those, give it away to somebody yourself. There's a lot of people that use an excuse not to do YouTube because they don't have a camera, which if you have a phone, any of these phones, these newer phones that's out now, records in great quality, not just an iPhone. There's some Androids out there with great cameras, and there's no excuse. But if you want a chance to win this camera, y'all, I'm telling you, I love this camera. It is a GoPro Hero 9. Make sure y'all enter into this giveaway. It's going to be running for 30 days. Once again, it's going to be running for 30 days. And the database will pick somebody, and I will contact you by email. And I will ship out the camera to you as soon as possible. Look at my car, y'all. It is dirty. But I'm about to give y'all this cold start because I haven't cranked the car up in over 24 hours. I finally had a night off after working 6 12s back to back. So let's get into this cold start. Y'all can see, hold on. Gotta pay to play. Gotta pay to play. Gas right now is focusing 374. You know, 5 cents off from the Shell account, $3.69.